my name is Clementina Tai and I am a director of CTA. Today we're talking about fixed term contracts. Have you found yourself stuck in a long cell phone contract, a gym membership contract, or a security services contract, or rather a subscription contract which you find it difficult to terminate? Before we carry on with today's discussion, may I put a disclaimer that this here is not extensive legal advice. For further legal assistance, contact your attorneys such as CTA with their details above. Yes, we are talking fixed term contracts, and may I indicate that these contracts are governed by the Consumer Protection Act. And yes, these contracts do not apply to juristic persons. These contracts apply only to a consumer who is a natural person. In terms of cancelling these contracts, you have a right as a consumer to terminate this contract anytime. However, you need to know that should you terminate this contract before it reaches its expiry, you will indeed incur penalties. They are called early termination penalties or early termination fees. However, the supplier needs to indicate how they calculated that early termination fees. In terms of Section 14 of the CPA, the supplier must notify you when your contract, your fixed term contract, nears its expiry date. This notice must come at least 40 to 80 business days before the expiry. If you fail to take heed or to indicate your intention in respect to these fixed term contracts, you will see that this contract will now run month to month. This means that now when you pick up that month on month, you can terminate just within the 30 days notice. You don't incur any further penalties. These contracts, as I mentioned, should not ideally exceed 24 months in terms of the CPA. However, if the supplier is able to show that there is a benefit, a financial benefit to you as a consumer, these contracts may, to a certain degree, extend to 36 months. I hope this summary helps, and should you need further assistance and further clarification, do contact your attorneys, CTA Tai, with their details above.